I can't do it, y'all. I can't do it. I need to do a detox on my locks.
Gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one. I guess I'm at the call.
Of the ACV rinse, and y'all, I had a lot of product buildup in my hair. It wasn't super bad, but it was worse than what I was thinking. So now I'm about to hop in the shower. First, I'm going to rinse my hair with just water, plain water, just to get the ACV. Get the apple cider vinegar and all that out of my hair, and then I'm going to proceed to just wash my hair as normal, and then I may braid it down just to do like a quick little braid out or something. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, y'all, so I have gotten out the shower. I rinsed my hair and I washed it, and y'all, I will have to say, like, I don't know if I'm just exaggerating or if it's just because, you know, it's my first time doing it, but I think this ACV rinse worked. My hair feels very light. It does not itch no more. It doesn't feel like my scalp is super dry, or you know, that my hair is on fire from itching or anything. It has a lot of movement to it. It doesn't smell like the apple cider vinegar at all. That was something I was worried about. But after me washing it or whatever, it still looks good. I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. Sorry, I'm not looking at you guys. But yeah, so this is how it turned out. So I definitely do want to go ahead and show you guys that. Yeah, so like I said, it definitely turned out pretty good, and I'm very pleased. I will actually update you guys in my 9-month update to let you guys know if I still feel the same way that I feel currently right now about it. But for right now, y'all, I'm loving the results from the ACV rinse. Like I said, my hair feels so good. So what I am going to go in and do is just take some oil and rub it all the way through. And I'm thinking about maybe doing like a braid out on it. Maybe just taking a few pieces, braiding it, and letting those braids stay in for a couple of days and taking it out. I don't know. If I decide to do that, I will post a picture of that at the end of this video. But stay tuned for my 9-month update, where I will basically tell you guys how I feel about this ACV rinse, which will basically be a couple of days from now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace and love.